Hi, this is Feroz Khan, and in this video I'll be showing you what steps you need to keep in mind and what things you need to do before you apply for a study visa abroad, no matter in which country you are. So stay tuned. In study visa, you need to keep in mind that you may need to provide an English test certificate for a study visa. If your first language or mother tongue is not English and you are applying for an English-speaking country, you may need to provide an English test that comes in types of IELTS test, which is an international English language testing service. It can be an ELLT Oxford test. It can be an Pearson test of English PTE, whether it's PTE academic or PTE UKVI, depending on which country you are going to. So English tests are usually a basic requirement of a study visa if your mother tongue or basic initial language is not English, and if you are going to an English speaking country. So this is one requirement you must keep in mind when applying for a study visa. Another is document translation. So if your initial academic documents are not in the English language, you may need to translate them into the English language or the required language of the country. For example, if you are going to Germany or Italy, you may need to translate your academic qualifications and your documents into the Italian or German language within your country by the relevant authorities suggested or recommended by that country or that university. So that is a point you need to keep in mind. Another is the fee payment in advance. So for example, some country would require you to pay the application fee and the actual fees of your course in advance, or some part of it, also known as the initial deposit. So we need to make these payments and keep in mind how much payment is required and what are the fee structures. So whether you need to provide your fee in one go or multiple deposits, also known as initial deposits from here, and then some registration fee when you arrive in the country. So these are things you need to take care of. You can find these details on studyportals.com. So you can visit that website, choose your country and choose your course, and multiple university and courses will pop up. You can see the requirements there and their fee structures, their teaching modules, teaching structures and formats. All that you can see there, and make your plan according to that. And then you will also need to provide your academic qualifications, so your recent education, all from the beginning, kindergarten level up to this point. You may need to provide all documentations that you have. That may include your transcripts, detailed mark sheets and certificates of the recent and latest academic accomplishment. And also you may need to attest these documents from the foreign office in your country, and also by the relevant educational authorities. So you may need the attestation and verification of these academic documents as well. These are things you need to keep in mind. Another thing to keep in mind is the interview. So you may need to provide or sit in interview with the university and also with the embassy as well. One or the other may be required by the course or country you are going to. So keep that in mind. Most commonly or frequently the interview questions are quite similar with the embassy and with the university as well. So the university interviews is for credibility, and they usually train you what to say and what not to say in the visa interview as well. Then you may need to pay an visa application fee to the embassy, and also health insurance for at least 1 year. So these are the things you need to keep in mind if you are going to study abroad, no matter which country you are from or which country you are going to. I have described and done these processes step by step in this YouTube channel. So press the subscribe icon and bell icon to keep updated and up to speed on the latest videos and news. Keep browsing through this channel to see more relevant information, and take care.